Assalamualaikum and hi to all. Okay, today we want to present about our chapter Light ATA 33. Okay, first of all, we are from class DAM 5D, and then this is our member.
Yeah, hi, I'm Kugunishwaran, son of Muthuvel. My matrix number is 24 DAM 18F 1087.
Hi, my name is Darshini Rajan. My matrix number will be 1075.
And hi, my name is Mohammad bin Adam. My matric number is 24 DAM 18 F1092.
And me is Mohammad Asif bin Faranwa, 24 DAM 18F 1122. Okay, we proceed to our chapter.
Okay, for the beginning, we will get to know about the types of aircraft lighting. First, flight deck lighting. Second, passenger cabin lighting. And third, the exterior lighting. Fourth will be the emergency lighting. And last, cargo and service lighting. So hopping on to flight deck lighting, there are several sub-lightings that we should get to know about. For the first will be dome light, map lights, background lights, integral lights, floodlights, flight kit lights. Passenger cabin, we have reading lights and also passenger cabin lights. Okay. Moving on to the exterior lights, we have the landing lights, runway turn-off and taxiing lights, emergency exit lights, logo lights, wing illumination lights, anti-collision lights, navigation lights, and strobe lights. Okay, for the emergency lights, we have the axial lights, we have the floor proximity lights, and the exterior exit lights, and the exit signs. For cargo and service lightings, we have the service compartment lightings, cargo lights, wheel well lights.
Okay, for the flight deck lights, we have a dome light. Dome light is a supply general area lighting using 28 volt DC battery bus, control with 3 position switch overhead panel. Left dome light is supply general emergency lighting. Second, map light. Captain and the officer each have a map light which is white lighting. The intensity can be adjusted with lighting control knob. The 28 volt AC transfer bus number 1 supply electrical power. Number 3, background light. Background lighting is for a pilot main instrument panel. Supply with 3 fluorescent light assembly on the bottom side of light shield. 115 volt AC transfer bus number 1 supply electrical power. And the intensity light can be adjusted by lighting control knob. 4. Integral light. Supplied behind the surface of the panel and most instruments. Each light plate have at least 2 or more of the small 5 volt incandescent lamp, and some of lamp come 28 volt AC is supplied to lighting control and can vary the light intensity. And last, floodlight. supply general lighting to control stand area and the circuit breaker panel by using incandescent light. It's 28 volt AC supply to lighting control that can vary the intensity. Next is passenger cabin light. Passenger cabin light use a fluorescent light for the ceiling and a window panel for general illumination. The light powered by different busbar, which mean electric power distribution. Incandescent night light for selected ceiling panel like reading light, and other passenger cabin light like lavatory and attendant call system.
Okay, move on to light exterior. Light exterior is a virtually all aircraft type are fitted with external light of some description. The type, purpose, and complexity of the lighting system installed on the exterior of a particular aircraft vary in accordance with its size and normal flight environment. External light in general terms serve one of three purposes: to make the aircraft more visible to other aircraft, to improve pilot visibility during critical phase of flight, to provide illumination for some other specific purpose. Next. Okay, this is our example B737 exterior light. First we have at the in front is taxi light, wheel illumination light, rear detectable landing light at the bottom. And then at the wing we have runway turn off light, fixed landing light, upper lower anti-collision light, strobe light, position light. At the behind we have logo light and the strobe light. Next. Okay, for the landing light, we have the landing light supply lighting to the runway. An inboard landing light is installed the leading edge of each wing near the fuselage. An outboard landing light is installed in each outboard trailing edge flat fairing. Runway turn off and taxi light. The runway turn off light supply lighting to the area in front of and to the side of the airplane. The runway turn off light is installed adjacent to each inboard landing light. The taxi light supplies lighting to the area in the direction the nose wheel are point. The light is installed on the nose gear strut and turn with the nose wheel. Navigation light. The navigation steady position light make the airplane more easily seen. These lights are installed on each wingtip. One light point after and it's white. The other light point outboard and are red on the left wingtip and green on the right wingtip. Next. Wing illumination light. The wing scanning light supply lighting to the leading edge of the wing. These lights are installed on each side of the fuselage in a location that is forward of each wing. Logo light. The logo light are float light that give lighting to the vertical stabilizer. There is a logo light installed in the navigation light fairing on the trailing edge of each wingtip. Emergency exit light. The emergency exit light illuminate the area of the slide and the off-wing escape path. Anti-collision light. Anti-collision light. The anti-collision light make the airplane more easily seen. Installed on the upper and lower fuselage. Strobe light. The strobe position light make the airplane more easily seen. Each light is strobed with a red lens. Okay, this is our overhead panel B737 forward side. At the forward side, we have the retract extended for the landing, and then for the onboard is we have left right, and onboard, outboard. Okay, runway turn off. We have light L for left, R for right, off on. Taxi also have off on the means left panel. On the right panel we have logo, off on. Position strobe, we have steady off. Anti-collision we have also off on. Wing also we have off on. Wheel well, also we have off on. This is our overhead panel. Next.
Now we will be looking about cargo services and light. So generally it is to do work in the compartment, and it's located behind the passenger compartment and under the flight compartment. General use of lights is dome lights, spotlights and floodlights. Installed on or near the ceiling. Each light contains an incandescent light. So next we'll be looking about cargo compartment. Cargo compartment consists of dome light and float light in each cargo compartment. The light function when the cargo door is open and when the switch is selected on. And the light can also be off manually by selecting the switch to off position, and the light will go off automatically when the cargo door is closed. So moving on to cargo lights, consists of dome lights and float lights again. So the cargo compartment door is open and the light switch is set to the on position. The lighting switch to the off position to make the lights go off manually. Close cargo compartment door and the light will go off automatically. So there is a relay in the module opens and closes the circuit, which is light circuit without a relay, light circuit with a relay. Next is wheel well lights. There is a dome light and float light again. Operate all the wheel well lights at the same time with a switch on the pilot's overhead panel. So it is operated independently by separate switches. Wheel well lights go off with the same switch you use to make those lights come on. So the next will be service compartment light. So independently controlled by a switch located near the access door to each compartment. So the accessory compartment has float light and all other service compartment has dome light. And other cargo services and lights that is in this compartments is electronic compartment light, lower nose compartment light, APU compartment light, tail cone compartment light, accessory compartment light. So moving on to emergency light. So emergency light consists of 4 parts, and the first one is exit sign. Exit sign shows the passenger where the doors and escape hatches are. Each exit sign has a lens on the bottom surface which supplies lighting to the area below the sign. So doors, service doors and hatch exit sign, which are the points to the hatch and doors. It consists this exit sign. So turn on automatically when the normal lighting system power has failed. So it has a backup plan. And then aisle light. So these battery powered lights are located in the flight deck, passenger cabin, on the exterior of the airplane. Supply lighting to the aisle from the ceiling. So the third one will be floor proximity light, act as a path making. So provide automatic activation on normal light failure, opening of a circuit breaker and manual acts, which is these are the common factors. So located 20 inches interval on the left side of the aisle. Floor proximity emergency escape path marking must provide emergency evacuation guidance for passengers when all sources of illumination more than 4 feet above the cabin aisle floor are totally obscured. The battery powered system illuminates when the emergency lights are activated. exterior exit light. This will be the last one. So supply lighting to the path of deployed emergency evacuation lights. Consists of 6-volt incandescent light installed, one light near each door and 2 lights above each wing near the escape hatch. And that's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and share.